before 2020, there is a statistics who's the leading authority in world related to health. WHO is called what? World Health Organization. Whenever somebody is taken birth, you will be getting what certificate? Birth certificate. This will go to the demographic study. Through that, World Health Organization will get. Now, before 2000, the average life expectancy of a human before 2000 is 60. It is a combination of world statistics. They stated that 60 is the average life expectancy. Who lives more? Either men or women. Women are having higher life expectancy throughout the world. This is statistics which I will show you. Importance of health is to decrease the disease. If you keep on concentrating on health, disease will get reduced. Mental well-being, you will be mentally fit. Energy and productivity, you can get more result. If you are sick, your marks might get reduced. Today IPL is starting. Some fast bowler is ill today. Will he be able to participate well? No. So health related to energy and productivity. Next one is improved immune function. Positive social interactions. You can interact. During your illness, you will be not interacting, but due to health, you might get more interaction. Enhanced physical capabilities. Better cognitive function. Have you seen when you are playing cricket, you throw your bat, but the right timing is required so that it will go to 6. If that cognitive thinking is not well, you will not get sixer or maximum score. So what will happen? Either slip catch will go like that. If you are a kabaddi player, small fraction of second you have to touch and come. Cognitive. Time you think your hand should work. The time you think you should go like that. This is called cognitive. The person who are getting cognitive health will be having better skills. Last thing is role in personal fulfillment. Now, this is the important statistics which I got from World Health Organization. This is statistics leading cause of death 2021 globally. Everybody knows that one day you will be meeting the graveyard. But WHO gets a statistics that due to what humans die. Rank 1, ischemic heart disease. There are 3 types of heart disease. One is heart attack. Next one is cardiac arrest. Third thing is stroke. 90 lakh of people die in the statistics due to what? Heart. Even Puneet Rajkumar, how he died? Heart attack. Because in these days, why we are studying health in the sense, we should be taking care of ourselves and our heart. Maximum aged people are doing cardiac workout. Have you seen in workout there are different workouts, no? The person who are lifting the weight is different. Cardiac workout is different. If you do more cardiac workout, what will happen? Your heart gets strengthened. So you will be not having this kind of disease. Most number of death is due to that. Next is COVID. Then next thing is stroke. Stroke is different. So I will give you further images. These are the difference. Heart attack in the sense, the blood is not supplying to the heart. There might be some block due to the passage of blood. That is called heart attack. Next thing is called cardiac arrest. What do you mean by cardiac arrest is, there is an electronic signal inside our system which makes us to beat. Can you stop that beat? No, it is an electronic signal. This signal will stop immediately. That is called what? Cardiac arrest. In most of the movies you can see some electronic things or electrical things will be kept here in order to enhance this signal, electrical signal. So this is the second thing which is called cardiac arrest. Third thing is what? Stroke. What do you mean by stroke is, there is no supply of blood to the brain. Brain constantly needs blood supply. If the blood is not supplied to the brain, which is called stroke. So stroke is the third person which causes the death. And next thing is lower respiratory infection. What is the organ related to respiratory infection? Lungs. So you should take care of your heart first. Second thing is whom? Lungs, you should take care. Next thing is trachea, bronchus and lung cancers. This is also related to lungs and Alzheimer. Memory will be getting lost. These people are called Alzheimer. So don't think that during your exam, if you forget something, it is Alzheimer. No, it is not that Alzheimer. Alzheimer is whatever you are doing now, after 1 hour, everything will get erased from your brain. That is called Alzheimer's. Due to that, people will die. Then diabetes, kidney disease and tuberculosis. Communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Communicable is spreadable. The disease which can be spread from one person to another. Non-communicable is heart attack a communicable? Heart attack is a organ related. If the person who is sitting near me gets heart attack, will you get heart attack? No. If a person is having a lung problem, will you get the same problem? No. Organ deficiency is called non-communicable disease. What kind of disease have the highest number of death? Non-communicable. So communicable disease having less impact on human death. Next thing is then injuries. Due to injuries, the people die very rarely. It is due to accident. That is why they say. Next, chronic diseases. These are the organs. Due to heart, many people will die. Due to lungs, the liver, and due to lungs, many people will die. And due to heart and the brain, stroke will come. So due to this chronic disease, these are all called what? Non-communicable disease. People might die. What do you mean by communicable is due to virus, bacteria, pathogens, HIV, etc. So these are all communicable. That means transferable. Due to this, if a person is being died, that is called communicable disease. Then this is the statistics of leading cause of death in 2021 in high income countries. So there is a difference. Do you think hygiene will be high in high income countries or low income countries? Hygiene will be high in England, British oriented places. Compare some African countries. That is the example for this. COPD, that is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. So due to this, lung is being damaged because of this kind of blockage in the air vent. Air vent, what will happen? There will be some blockage, so the people will die. That is called COPD. Leading cause of death in 2021 in low income countries. What kind of disease are high in low income countries? Lower respiratory infections. Respiratory means air. You are taking air. So lower respiratory infection is communicable. Next thing is malaria, COVID. You can see more blue colors, no? In low income countries, communicable disease are high, but you see this is a high income country. What kind of disease are high? Non-communicable disease are high. So yes. Symptoms of Alzheimer's. They will be having severe memory loss. They cannot solve puzzles. If you give some puzzle, they will be confused and they cannot do that. Misplacing things. So they will not place the things at the right place, etc. So you can read this, and this is the example of Alzheimer's. And can you see here, this is the process of lungs. When the air is being intaken here, there will be the veins, and through this vent the air is supplied to the lungs. Stenosis here. If this is blocked, what happened? The people cannot take breath. So due to this also, the people died. And this is tuberculosis, TB. They say in short term as TB. So due to TB also, the people will die. TB will affect which organ? Lungs. Yes. These are the symptoms of tuberculosis, etc. Now, this is the statistics what I want to say. This is given by World Health Organization. Life expectancy in 2000, less than 60. Green is male and red is female. 2021, can you see around 60? We have increased. If you improve the health, this will get increased. Who's better, men or women? Women's. Next thing, this is a comparison of causes of death globally. Now you can see here, due to what disease most of the people die. Green color. What is green? Non-communicable disease. That means organ failure. So due to some organ failure, most of the people die. What is this color? Red is injuries. Due to injuries, less people die. And after non-communicable, communicable disease are much higher. Now I have taken another statistics where we are. So this is India. India is in which region? Southeast Asian region. India is having a non-communicable, communicable. You can see the difference. You can see here Africa and Europe. Can you see large difference? What is the large difference? Communicable disease are higher in Africa, non-communicable in the Europe countries. This is the highlight which I want to discuss with you. And this is the total statistics in world. And this is again comparison. Can you see here? Suicides or deaths. Does male make more suicide or female make more suicide? You see here. Irrespective of countries, African region, regions of America, wherever you see, men are higher suicide and being killed. So these are the two different. This is a suicide and homicide. So what is mean by homicide is killed by someone. Suicide is killed by ourselves. In both the cases, this is high. How to increase life expectancy? What kind of disease is more higher in world? Non-communicable disease is more higher and communicable disease. We have to take care of both. So for non-communicable disease, what you have to do is you have to do your health routine. If you are following health routines, you will be not ending up in disease. First question, in which year WHO first declared the health is a human right? There is 1948. WHO describes that health is a right for everyone. Next thing. What is the primary cause of ischemic heart disease? You see? Yes. Answer is B. Next thing. Which lifestyle can help reducing the risk of ischemic heart disease? Exercising, maintaining balanced diet. Yes, you are right. Exercising and balanced diet. Which is the following is not a communicable disease? Diabetes is created due to what? Increase of sugar level in blood. How to reduce diabetes? Insulin you can take, but naturally, what is sugar is your organ, pancreas will be there. It generates more sugar. If you have something, what you have to do? You should not keep yourself. You should give. If you have something, you should give to others. So that sugar has to be given out. How you will be giving out the sugar is when you are running, when you are jogging, doing exercise, what will happen? Energy is required. From where you get energy is glucose. When you are feeling sick, what will be given to you? Glucose. So when you are doing exercise or walking, the sugar level will get reduced. So if you are having sugar, what you should do? Walking, jogging, exercise, etc. So if you do, that sugar will be spent away. You intake sugar and you have to spend away. The diabetes is not a communicable disease. Next thing. How are communicable disease commonly transmitted? All of the above. Last one. What is the primary symptoms of Alzheimer's disease? Memory loss. Yes.